The world is too small. We must reject any.
So, I don't know what the is wrong with me, but I had my dinner and I thought I should just take a walk. And here I am taking a walk at night because tomorrow I start, my holidays are over, and yeah, I'm a little bummed about it because who doesn't like holidays? And now that the holidays are over, I'm feeling a little weird about it. So I thought I will just step out a little bit and see what's happening in the town one last time. I thought it'll be nice if I can also show you around. Yeah. So right now I'm just gonna take a very small walk. I recently noticed that they haven't taken out the Christmas and New Year's decorations. So I thought before they finally take it out, I should just hang out a little bit and try to capture how it looks with those Christmas decorations. I've just walked like a minute now, and I'm just gonna go to the city center area. The lights. I just love them. I'm a sucker for the decorations and for the festivities. They are just so super gorgeous. Love them. Let's go. Let's see what else is there. And by the side of the river, they have installed those small, snowflake light decorations, and they are reflecting in the water. It's just so pretty. Back there, the big gate where it's written Buona Feste. Buona Feste means happy festivals. And here are some nice installation. A harp, a trumpet, there is a piano, and a big cello. Wow. There's even a flute at the end of it. But yeah, look at them. They are shining so bright. And then there are some people taking pictures. Wow. I love it. I love it. I'm really, really hooked on these lights now. Yeah, I always was passing by taking my afternoon walks, and I never had time to come here during the evening, but yeah, it looks very, very nice. It's very pretty. Look at that. And the lights in the back. Wow. And there are more lights here and on the other side of the bridge. Ah, good. I'm glad I came out tonight because I was just putting it off since some time. There is the main gate. Wow. It's on all the sides. It's just beautiful. Wow. I hope they have some more decoration in there because I just came out for these decorations. I always used to walk by. I always take my afternoon walks and I pass by, but I never came at night. See. Oh my friggin' lord, it doesn't do any justice on this camera, no, but it's so pretty. It's so pretty. Wow, look at these, and they have hung up the lights so high. Oh my god, I love it. I love it. They have hung the lights so high. I love it. And wow, I was bad. I was very, very lazy to not get out of my house and just stay in there. You know, these lights and decorations have been here even before Christmas, like way before Christmas, and I didn't come out to see them, and they're right outside my house. They're like 2 minutes walk from my house, and this is the first time I come here. Can you imagine? Wow. It's like being in a magical forest. Wow. It's just amazing how much effort, how much work these people have put into decorating this place, because you might not feel it, but these trees are huge. They are, I don't know, 100 feet, 150 feet. They are very high. They are literally very, very high. You can see they are high. Yeah. When I say they are high, they are high. Yeah. Hanging from up there, from the trees, so high up. Wow. It's actually really, really beautiful. There are people walking around. Wow, it's just so pretty. I can't tell you how beautiful it looks right now. Yeah, but maybe I'll show you a little bit. Wait. Wow, I can't get over it, and still continues. There's a lot more to the park. Let me clean the camera. Awesome. So, wow, what's that light? Okay, so it's this light. Distortion. Yeah, when I was hanging around here in the afternoon after my lunch, I always thought that, wow, you know, these lights, string lights, they must be very beautiful at night. But of course, I am a lazy bum, and I didn't feel like going out entire holiday season. Like, I did go out, but only in the afternoon when the temperature was bearable. And as you can see, there was just back there when I was near the lights, there was a lot of, you know, fog in there, and it's pretty cold out here. So at night, I really don't get, you know, I never could gather the courage to come out. So I rather thought I would just stay home. Who cares? But bless the town council. These people haven't taken out the decoration yet. They didn't take any lights down. They didn't take any of the props down. So lucky me. I could finally explore it. And I'm so glad that I came out today, because wow, looking at these lights, just making me super happy. It's just making me super happy. Oh wow, there's this park and it's open.
You're the night sky trying to make me see your stars, but the dark gets lonely. Now I see violet, I can feel silence. In the dark's all that I see. When your stars have burnt out and your heart makes no sound, I'll find violet in your eyes. You'll always be my night sky. You'll always be my night sky. Be my night sky. time. I can't find the point where our two paths align, but you're the night sky, I'm trying to see your stars. But I've always feared the dark, now I see brightly, I can feel your silence. You always feel so far when your stars have burnt out and your heart makes no sound. I'll find valid in your eyes. You'll always be my night sky. You'll always be my night sky.
Taking a lot of videos and a lot of photographs. And now I'm saying ta-da, bye-bye to the town center area. There is the park where I took you last time in the last clip. And now I'm heading back home, which is 2 minutes walk. And I'm gonna click some pictures in the fairy garden where there are those string lights. So let's see how those pictures turn out. I will post those pictures on my Instagram. Now I'm entering again the fairy tale garden of lights. And it's just so beautiful. Bless the souls that did all this work, because I am loving it. Yes. When I came here earlier, when I was passing by, a lot of people were like taking pictures and they were so happy. And it melts my heart to see people so happy when they look at, beautiful things, when they feel good with their families and with their pets. They were all walking by, taking their evening walks, and they were taking a lot of pictures, and they were just so super happy, just like I am. Ah, look at these lights, they are grand. Yeah, it takes a lot of efforts. So hats off to these people. Hats off to these people for their efforts. And I'm so glad, I'm saying it again, I know, but I'm so glad that I could witness this. I didn't, get lazy today, and I got out and I took my walk, and now I'm enjoying this. It's grand, it's beautiful. Today I'm very happy, actually happy. Let me put on my cap, okay? And I will see you in a bit. One last time. It's just super amazing. These lights are gorgeous. These lights are just so gorgeous. I love them. I love them. And now we're saying bye-bye to all the rides. Until next year. Until next year. Wow. So now I'm heading back home, and I'm almost home. I just wanted to show you from a little bit of distance how these look. Just go. There's a little more to capture, and I'm about to reach home. So yeah, let's say bye-bye to everything. Let's just head home now. My hands are freezing because I didn't wear my gloves on purpose. Of course, I was being very smart, and I thought that if I have to shoot, I should not wear my gloves because I will not be able to operate my phone, and because I always shoot on my phone, so I have to operate the touchscreen. And now, yeah, I was able to make the video, but my hands are frozen. Yes. And I'm glad I'm almost home now. I hope you guys liked the decoration for the Christmas and New Year's. because I love it. Still can't get over this thing. And the whole city is so lit. I really adore how cute, how beautiful it looks. And I'm so sad at the same time because in a few days, who knows, maybe tomorrow, maybe day after, they will take off all the decoration. And that will break my heart. But yeah, until next year, yeah, I will have to wait until next year. And this year, I didn't do much for Christmas, like in terms of decoration at my own place. But next year, I am thinking I'm gonna do some really kick ass decoration. And I will start preparing from this year onwards. And I will buy a lot of these lights that are in the back. They're adorable. Yeah, I'm gonna buy a lot of them. So, yeah, next year I'm gonna show you my decoration too, my house decoration. So now I've reached home, and you can see how cold it is. I was not lying about the cold, and I'm not the lazy. Yeah, I get lazy for a reason. It needs a lot of courage to get out in this weather. And as you can see, there is barely anyone around here except me. So I am that one courageous person. And yeah, I'm quite happy about today actually. And this corona shit disease goes away quickly. And everything opens because I hate everything closed. It doesn't look nice, it feels bad. Feels like a ghost town. Yeah, so let's hope. And now I've reached home. I will say my good night and bye bye. And I will see you again soon. Hope you enjoyed this one. If till next time, ciao!